This is a Myers-Manx dune buggy, very nicely displayed. I like the cutout letters there. Brilliant red. And this started as a kit car with a Volkswagen chassis and motor and fiberglass body, of course. I'm not sure of the year of production of this car, but it does have a certificate of authenticity, which you see there in the driver's seat. Very nicely appointed. And probably even the most interesting thing that I found out when I was checking into the Myers-Manx is that they are proposing an electric version that is coming out in next year, 2023. And so I'm putting a link to the explanation, a little bit of the history and the proposed beta trial of the electric version. It'd be 2 battery sizes, and they are getting some testers to try out the car and leave comments, and I suppose make changes as required based on comments from the beta testers. So very interesting development. This car, they went through I guess bankruptcy at one point, and it's been bought again, and this car just doesn't die, especially as an electric version. That kind of ensures that it's going to continue on, I would say. That'd be my guess. Very neat.